YouTubers, I'm glad you're here with me. I'm going to make butter. And we're going to make it with only whipping cream. Supposedly you mix it long enough in the mixer. This cost me a little over $9. So I should get at least 2 pounds of butter out of this. And we'll see if it's better to make it myself or to buy it. So let's get started. Okay. All we're going to do is pour it in. And it'll separate between the butter itself and the whey. And the whey you can keep for cooking. There we go. For the price of butter, I'm going to get every little drip. Shake it out. Okay. Alright, let's turn it on. And we'll let you know how long it's going to take to whip. I think I'll turn it up a little bit. I do have a cover I can put on there, but I don't think I'll put it on. Maybe I'll turn it up a little bit. Alright, you can see that I got it cranked up. Kind of flashing. I think I'll turn it down. But it's starting to thicken up. It's been whipping for about 5 minutes. I was wondering if maybe it was too much for my bowl to handle. But so far so good. Alright, it's getting thicker. And it's been mixing for about 10 minutes. I put the cover on it because it was flashing. Alright, I got it cranked up full bore. I'll probably turn it down. You can see it's whipping really good. It's been about 15 minutes. And I think I'll turn it down a little bit. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Alright, it's really thick and I wanted to push it up off the sides a little bit. Yeah. Alright, it's getting there. Look at that. See the whey's dripping out? I'm going to scrape it and let it go a little bit longer. Let's see here. Yeah, that's looking nice. Some people add yellow food coloring to their butter, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, now I can see the whey pooling at the bottom there around the mixer. I keep pushing down the sides. Yeah, it was really splashing. And it's really thick and heavy. So I'm going to take it out and put it in a colander with cheesecloth. Look how thick that is. I am really poking hard on this. Yeah, this was kind of fun. I really enjoyed doing this. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright, I got a lot of butter here. There's the cheesecloth. And I'm going to get a different spoon to spoon it in. Yeah. I am really, look at that. Oh my goodness. I am really happy with this. Yeah. That is a lot of butter. Holy cow. And it's I don't think you have to add any food coloring to it. It's yellow looking, you know. My goodness. That is a lot of butter. So 64 ounces. I let it mix in the blender for probably an hour. Alright, so we're going to wrap it up. I got more, but more than what I think I can fit in the cheesecloth. And we're going to squeeze it out. Get as much whey out of there as I can. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Coming out? My grandson's helping with the filming.
Budget zooming.
Alright, we'll do some more now. Alright, 2 pints of whey and a little bit less. I'm going to save it. Maybe the cats will like it, or I can use it in other cooking. Here, I'll compare it to the size of a stick of butter. So at least, I know I got at least 2 pounds, maybe 2.5 pounds of butter, it looks like. I'm going to shape it, put it in the foil, and keep it in the refrigerator. If you want, you can always add salt to it at the end of it. I didn't have to do that. This is unsalted. Yeah, I didn't know I had unsalted butter. But anyways, this was really fun to make. Might want to give it a try with heavy whipping cream. And like I said, it was 64 fluid ounces, and it took about an hour to whip. And then I put it through the cheesecloth, and yeah, this is really cool. It's nice and hard too. Nice and hard. Yeah. Alright, put your thoughts down. Give it a try. Getting back to basics. What are your thoughts? Thank you very much for watching. Please share my videos, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you all. Bye.